Here we have a VECTRAX drill press. It is unused. It's in relatively good condition. There's no signs of use whatsoever. It does have a power down feed, but the power down feed does not operate. But the motor does, and it operates on all the speeds. We'll just show you that right now. So that's a low speed right there. You turn the wheel here. Belt's a little noisy. So that's forward low, and we'll go forward high. Turn the machine off. This is reverse high. And reverse low. You adjust the belt speed by turning this up here. I do want to show you also the quill moves up and down manually with no issues. You can also put it in this position here and rotate the quill down with this handle. So none of these gears appear to work. I mean, the spindle is spinning, but there's something wrong inside the gearbox here. Okay, we do have the sides and the top for this. That will be included. And also the screws, screw it back together. Still has the factory plastic on it with the Cosmoline. It's missing the fan shroud. It's a little plastic or metal shroud. Unit table moves up and down.